Hi guys, welcome back. Today we're going to make bookmarks and I'm going to show you different ways that you can do them. And you'll be able to use these different methods on different things: coasters, trays, bookmarks. We'll put some alcohol ink. I'm using apple green, blue, and lemon yellow. Okay, we just drop some ink down in and then we pour clear resin over the top. And then the ink will just do what it does in the resin. Now, let's pour a little bit of clear in. This one is for a fun look. And we use embellishments. We can go ahead and fill it more. Run it around. Just make sure we don't have any bubbles in the edge. Make it where they can lift up. There we go. You know what? Let's do that with this one, because I planned on doing just a slight swirling anyhow. Shall we? Shoom, 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 shoom. There's really no right or wrong way for this, honestly. Personal opinion. Yeah. Alright, we'll leave that alone. We're going to spray on the top isopropyl alcohol. Let's just dump a few of these. It's cute little oranges and strawberries and watermelons and kiwis, and I think there's grapes in there, orange slices, just all kinds of cute little things. We're just going to drop them in. Uh-oh. I'll have to pick that one back out. Just flip this one back out. Put it over there for it to be out of the way. Let me just go ahead and start little apples too. We'll start dunking them down in. Just get them all spread out. I saw that pretty flower and I wanted to put it in. Alright, you know what? This time we will put a little bit of the alcohol down. Both sides look great. So I'm going to spray the flour to see if we can keep it from holding. You know what? We're going to take this leaf off. Moving it around a bit, making sure we try to get all the bubbles we can. See that wiggling up any bubbles that are holding on to the leaves. Might be underneath the leaves. There we go. Got one out from underneath the petals. Hopefully we'll get them all. Need to bring it down a little bit. I also thought these little flowers being down on the bottom could be really cute. Maybe a darker purple. See if they'll work. Maybe some ivory. And I'll even put them in both directions. That way there's not a defined front or back. Just flattening this one out a little bit more. There. Go ahead and fill this one the rest of the way up. Now we will use some mica powder. And then we can just pour. And let them meet in the middle. You know, can't let them quite meet, can we? There. Just that little spot. We can even do a little all the way through. And then last but not least, this one's just more for fun, I think. We'll go ahead and use a little bit of the gold. And some of the silver. And then, these are scraps. I'm going to use the purple ones this time. It's, you know, sometimes you end up with a little blob of resin on your mat. You let it cure up, and when you peel it off, it's this little blob that's cured. So when they're still soft, cured but soft, I will sometimes peel them up, and then I will go ahead and cut them up with scissors. I figure I could use them in something another time. So this is a whole nother thing. It's a way to reuse or use resin that would have been thrown away. I cut it up in jagged shapes, so it almost look like broken glass. or pieces of a gemstone, depending on the color. This one being purple or lavender. Let's see how that looks with them all dunked in. One last little swirly do. There. All right, we'll be back in a little bit. All right, guys, we're back. The resin is cured. Let's see how our little bookmarks came out. Now, I would like to give a big thank you to Susie for doing a buy me a coffee. I really appreciated it. And also, I don't know who it is, but there are a few people that have hyped, press the little hype button for some of my videos. You have to do it in the first 7 days that the video is put up. But to all of you that have done a hype for any of my videos, thank you so much. It really does help let YouTube's little algorithm thing know that they should share the video with others. And for all of you that have shared my videos, that's also another way that YouTube is able to know that the videos are enjoyed and to share them more. Every time you give a thumbs up, it's a great way to let people know, let YouTube know. And the comments. And I love the comments. I love seeing the comments, responding to the comments. I really appreciate all of that. I do have the little tassels. Okay, so here's some tassels. I got the tassels off of Temu, if you are wondering. I really love these because these have the ombre look to them. Let's see which one would be good. Let's see, that's awful pretty, and that's both a yellow and a blue. Let's see. There. Now, if I don't have a Cricut, pardon me, sorry, I don't have a Cricut, but if you have a Cricut, or you can also sometimes find little phrases in stickers, you could put a sticker phrase or use your Cricut and make a little phrase to put on your bookmarks. This one, I think, is really cute. Now, you don't have to use tassels. I actually have some ribbon that I thought would be perfect to go with the leaves. Let's see how the other side looks, though. It came out. The flower came out good. No bubbles. Yay! I tried really hard to just press the flower down and ease any bubbles out from underneath the petals and the leaves, but I wasn't sure. The one leaf, it did break while moving it around and such, but this side looks pretty good. This side, it still looks good. So, I'm still happy with that. Either one. I notice petals are a little bit whiter on this side, a little more purple on this side, but let's do this up real quick. go ahead and make these a little pointier. I don't know why, but I just always like the way it looks when they're a little more angled. There we go. That's just a little rough right there. So, just that easy. I'm just taking it very lightly across it. It's the top edge. That was the problem. And if you don't have this tool, you could use a file. Okay, so that's the one side. There's the other side. This one would be a great one to be able to put a little personal message on. And this is that one that had the little scrap pieces in it. Not sure having my hand under it makes it easier to see or not. I thought that was just a fun thing. I saved those for a while. I thought it'd be a cute thing to do sometime. We don't have a nice purple or lavender that would really go with it. But what do you think about the gold? There. So there we go. All right, my friends, what do you think of these? And this is just 5 different ways, 5 different ideas. There are so many other ideas that you could play with when it comes to decorating the bookmarks or coasters or trays, but I just want to give you 5 little ideas that you could use. All right, guys, you have a great one. Bye for now.